Okay, we're going to make another hamburger helper meal. Okay, you're going to start out with brown gravy, macaronis. You're going to start out with cornstarch, dry powdered milk, basil, oregano, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. Okay, we're going to start. Here we go. Okay, we need 2/3 cup of dry milk. 2/3 of a cup. We'll need 11 tablespoons of dry powdered milk to make 2/3 of a cup. Okay, we got a 2/3 of a cup of dry powdered milk. And to make powdered milk, you go 1/3 of a cup dry milk to 1 cup of water. Okay. Now you we need 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Now I just hope I can get it open. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1/8 of a teaspoon of basil. So that makes 4 of these. One-eighth. 4 times. Basil. Oregano. 1/8 of a teaspoon 4 times. Okay, we got paprika. You'll need 1/2 tablespoon and 1/8 teaspoon. There's a 1/8 teaspoon. Now you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Tablespoon, I mean. 1/2 tablespoon and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 and 1/8 of a teaspoon. I will leave all the recipe at the bottom of the recipe in the comments. Okay. Now we need our brown gravy mix, any kind you want. We'll need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch plus 1 teaspoon. Okay. Here's our cornstarch. 3 tablespoons. Okay. I don't know why I put that up. I have to give you a teaspoon. One teaspoon. Of cornstarch. Okay, we're going to put our lid on this. And that's our seasoning to go into our beef stroganoff hamburger helper. Okay, set this aside for a moment. Okay, on one of your bags, you're going to write 3 cups of noodles, elbow macaronis, Or you can use 3 cups of spaghetti, either one, noodles, or egg noodles. It's your choice. It's your food. You'll need to put 1 pound of hamburger cooked, 6 cups of water to boil your noodles, 6 cups of water to boil noodles, and add 1 tablespoon of sour cream of your choice. Okay, there's your instructions. Then on the bottom or the top, either one, go write Hamburger Stroganoff. Ah, Stroganoff. And put this as for 1 meal. 1 meal. Now, you can also add 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, now in one of your packs, okay, you're going to add your mix. And on your mix, you're going to put stroganoff. Beef stroganoff. Stroganoff. Then you're going to put 23. That way you know it's the year. Okay, and you're going to stick it in your bag. And you're going to stick your brown gravy mix in your bag. Okay, then you're going to fold it up. Okay, now we're going to add our macaronis in this. And we need 3 cups. We got 3 boxes is what we got. And you don't have to use the cheese in it if you don't want to. Okay, we're going to put our meal in here. And then we're going to put our macaronis in here. And we're going to keep it somewhere out in the dry. Like in your pantry or somewhere like that. And you're going to take a Walmart bag now. And you're going to keep it all together. Now, you can throw these macaroni and cheese packets away if you want to, or save them for popcorn. And then you're just going to take it in your pantry and do like this. You've got 1 year to use this. Now, we will make a recipe and a video on this when we get ready to make it. This is beef stroganoff, hamburger helper. And you're also going to have to buy your ground beef and cook it if you ain't already in sour cream. So that's the two things that ain't in the bag. But you got the directions on how to cook it and all. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you like these meals. Please give them a try. And it is cheaper to have the stuff already at home to make it with than buy it at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye. Push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. You can also find me on Facebook at Tanya Marie Fugate. Thank you.